This time we've got a definite integral because we've got limits of integration. So in order to integrate this, we're going to split this fraction up into 2x over x plus 1 over x. Just split it up into two fractions. And we know that is equal to log 12. So if we simplify each of these fractions, we're going to have 2 plus 1 over x dx. So I'm not going to split this up into two integrals. I'm just going to use the fact that we can integrate each term separately. So remember, with a definite integral, we go to a square bracket now to show that we've integrated. And at the end of that square bracket, we're going to put the limits of integration. So if we integrate 2, we're going to get 2x. And if we integrate 1 over x, we're going to get, that's a standard integral that we remembered, log of the absolute value of x. So at this point, we can work out what the definite integral is by subbing in the top limit and then subtracting what we get when we sub in the bottom limit. So if we sub in the top limit, we're going to have 2 times 3a, which is 6a, plus log of 3a. And if we sub in the bottom limit, we're going to get 2a plus log of a. Now, we're actually told in the question that a is a positive constant, so we don't need the absolute value symbols here because we know that a is always going to be positive. So we can simplify this to 4a plus log 3a and then minus log a equals log 12. So it's not immediately obvious what the best tactic for doing this is, but with log questions it's often useful to combine logs using log laws. So we've got log, one log subtract another log, so we know that we can write that as a single log, and that's going to be log of 3a over a. And that helps us because now the a's inside the log are going to cancel. So we're going to have 4a plus log 3 equals log 12. So we can rearrange this to get 4a on its own. 4a is equal to log 12 minus log 3. And again, at this point, I'm going to use the subtraction log law to write that as log of 12 over 3, or log 4. 12 over 3 is 4. So we can find out that a is equal to, if we times both sides by a quarter, divide by 4, a quarter log 4. Or we could write that as log 4 over 4.